welcome to Arun and Dikshi's
channel. Yes, happy to meet you again. இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலான ஒரு வீடியோ தாங்க. வாங்க நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ள போய் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Today the video is going to be about
learning Korean with Sila.
Sila. Next is
don't go.
You don't go home. Don't go home.
Yes. Please stay. 가지마. And please don't leave me, my lover. Please don't leave me and
don't go. Don't leave.
Yes.
Anything. Yeah.
Don't leave this side. This is my place. Yes. Don't go. 가지마. 가지마. 가다 is go. So 가지마 is don't go.
Okay.
마 is stop. Please don't. Don't cry. 울지마. Don't cry. 울지마. Don't eat. 먹지마. Don't drink. 마시지마. Don't drink. 마시지마. And this is a tip. Don't love me. 사랑하지마. Don't love me. 나 좋아하지마. Don't like me. That's so funny. It's more interesting.
It's very interesting.
Yes, interesting.
But I feel very sad that I could not cope up with you because it's so difficult for me. You know what? Our subscribers.
They all know
oh my
about
god!
them.
Yes,
They're so smart.
Oh.
I know that. You know that my Instagram they say always Korean in Korean. 언니 멋져요. 언니 you're cool. 언니 사랑스러워요. 막, oh, you're so lovely. You're amazing. Like in Korean, I was so surprised. Were you Korean really? I was so surprised.
Yeah, they are great. They are literally great.
They're
And
great
they are
girls.
true fans for
Yes.
Korea. You know.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. 아미.
Yes, that's
You
great.
know that actually I'm very big fan of Japanese songs, so I can speak Japanese. Like Indian girls, Indian subscribers can speak Korean.
Korean, yeah.
Yes. Someday I'll let you know
Yes.
about some Japanese.
Stop it or
Stop
don't
it.
do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that. 하지마.
하지마.
Don't clean the room. I will do that. Don't eat that. I will eat that. Like this. Don't eat that. 하지마 먹지마. Like this.
Okay, stop it or don't do that means
하지마.
하지마.
하다 is do. 마 is not no.
No. Yes.
하지마 is
하지마.
don't do.
Ma is no.
Yes.
Okay.
There is a special song, it's very famous song that you can memorize Korean simple word forward.
Okay.
I'll sing first.
Okay.
안녕하세요. 감사해요. 잘 있어요. 다시 만나요. 안녕하세요. 감사해요. 잘 있어요. 다시 만나요. This is end. 안녕하세요 means hello. Hello. 감사해요 is very thankful of you. Thank you. 잘 있어요. Goodbye. 다시 만나요. Let's meet again. Let's la la la. Okay. First. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. 안녕하세요. 감사해요. 잘 있어요. 다시 만나요.
Okay. Next is
I love you. Press the button. I love you. 사랑해요.
saranghayo. That everybody is saying me that word.
Yes.
I love to hear that word.
Yes.
First நீங்க saranghayo சொல்லும்போது oh saranghayo. You're so cute. Yeah, I always saranghayo.
Yes. This simple word 사랑해, 사랑합니다 is all same. 사랑해, 사랑해요, 사랑합니다. 사랑하지 않겠습니까? 사랑하지 않고선 못 베겠습니다. Like this is same.
ஒவ்வொன்றுக்குமே வந்து பல அர்த்தங்கள் வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நம்ம மொழி மாதிரி தான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்தே அதை பேசுறதுனால தெரியல. இது வந்து எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
There is so many express love like this. And there is an idol group of 이달의 소녀 Luna from that group.
Yeah,
there
Luna. We know.
Yes. Chu member Chu has a Chu heart. This is Chu heart.
Oh,
Look at this. And this is Korean heart also. V down like this.
Ah. So
this
easy.
one is and this one. And this one also.
This one also.
Yes, you have lots of heart.
Yeah. ஆமாங்க We have so many hearts, right? 1,
1, 2, 3.
2. This is 2. This is 1.
1,
This
2,
is 2,
3,
3. This is
4.
This is 4.
5.
5.
So many hearts.
Yeah, so many hearts. That's nice.
Yes.
ஆனா உங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியுமா இந்த when நான் படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அப்போ வந்து love அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டு வீட்ல பேசுறதுக்கே பயம். ஹார்ட் போட்டு வரையறதுக்கு பயம் பேரண்ட்ஸ் முன்னாடி. அப்பெல்லாம் நான் படிக்கிறப்பெல்லாம் லைக் 90s கிட்டு அப்ப நானே ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு முன்னாடிலாம் இல்லை. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து யா லவ் அப்புறம் ஹார்ட் போட்டு எந்த பிக்சர்ஸும் வரைய முடியாது. அது வந்து ஸ்ட்ரிக்டா அப்படி வளர்த்திட்டாங்களாம் இல்லை, அது அப்படி வளர்ந்துட்டோம்.
Japanese 좋아해 and 사랑 is very different. In Japan, when students, girls and boys say to proposal to their girlfriend or boyfriend, 스키데스.
Yeah, I've seen in some Japanese movies.
스키데스. 스키한테 그러사이.
Oh, madam, feel பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. I have a doubt on you. Do you have any Japanese boyfriend? Miles out. Madam வந்து ஜாப்பனீஸ் படிக்கிறாங்க. ஜப்பான் போகணும்னு ஆசை. And இப்போ ஜாப்பனீஸ் பத்தியே பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க. I have a miles out on her. Let me do the spy work. CID workலாம் பண்ணணும் கொஞ்சம். Next is okay, good night.
Good night. Good night. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Say, 잘 자. Good night. 잘 자. Sleep well. Well sleep. 잘 자. And when we say to elder people, 안녕히 주무세요. 안녕히 means hello good. 주무세요 is you go to the bed. And there is have a nice dream is 좋은 꿈 꿔. Have a nice 좋은 꿈 꿔.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
I'm sorry
It's
for
okay.
broke my something else. 걱정 마. Don't worry. 걱정하지 마랑 걱정 마랑 조금 다른데 걱정 마는 괜찮아. That is 괜찮아 means it's all
Okay,
fine.
it's
I'm
fine.
okay.
괜찮아.
You are okay. Nothing wrong.
I have heard. I know this word. 괜찮아요?
Are you okay? 괜찮아. You is asking. 배고파. I'm hungry. 배고파요? Are you hungry? And 힘들어. I'm tired. 힘들어요? Are you tired? Like you is asking. You? Okay, like this. There is a very famous song. I'm so sorry but I love you 다 거짓말 내가 몰랐어 이제야 알았어 네가 필요해. I'm so
Japanese
sorry.
song or Korean song?
Korean song.
Okay.
Yes. Very 10 years old song. So I'm so sorry. 내가 정말 미안해. I'm sorry. 미안해. Sorry means 미안해. 미안. It's okay. 좀 미안. 저 very sorry. 미안해.
Okay, what to do? What should I do?
Okay. What should I do?
விட்டு மேடம் காப்பி பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
Oh yes, I think it's different person.
Okay.
어떡하지?
어떡해?
What should I do?
어떡하지?
What should you do? What should I do? What should we do?
Okay, I'm happy.
너무 행복해.
행복해.
너무 means so very much. So
너무
happy.
너무해.
너무.
너무.
N-E-O-M-U.
너무해.
Yes. 너무 행복해.
Cheer up.
힘내. Fighting and 힘내 is very same. Fighting means we have fight, but in Korea there is a little different.
Fighting is
Yes.
working hard.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hard.
Like boosting ourselves to
Yes,
just come up. Yeah.
Yes. We mean 힘내. This
힘내.
is-
It's cheer
힘내
up.
means you can do that, okay?
Yeah.
Or you are okay. 괜찮아 and 힘내 is very same.
Same. Okay. நீங்க எல்லாருமே வந்து நினைக்கலாம் இந்த கொரியன் வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஈஸி, நம்ம வந்து பேசிடலாம் கொரியா போலாம் அப்படின்னு. நீங்க எல்லாருமே வந்து ரொம்ப அழகா பேசுறீங்க. பட் அது மட்டும் பத்தாது, ஒவ்வொரு சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரி சொல்லலாம் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான் நம்ம சொல்லாவே லைக் we have the same word what they speak no in our comment section, maybe in some videos they are speaking so much good Korean, but still when they are moving inside the Korea they wanted to know the exact expression words, right? For each and every expression we have different words for that, right? Okay so வந்து ஒரு அளவுக்கு நம்ம வந்து கொஞ்சமா கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஹோப் இந்த வீடியோ வந்து உங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் இதே மாதிரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான வீடியோஸோட நாங்க உங்களை வந்து மீட் பண்றோம். until then it's tata bye bye, see you. and இந்த வீடியோவை பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் பண்ணுங்க. அண்ட் நம்ம சேனலை இன்னும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலனா ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல பெல் ஐகானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிருங்க. Thank you all for watching.
Thank you. Bye bye.